I'm gonna show you how to set up a box. We're gonna start with a D-spec, which is the strongest box we got. Alright, so this would be the way we would like you to set up the boxes. We're trying to make it all in the same manner. The shipment will look better. This would be our box like this. I'll fix it so the flaps would not get in our way while we're packing. Alright, so all these boxes are coming flat like this. There's an easy way to set them up. First, you get the top flaps and then you set up the box like this. Then you would flip it upside down and you would have the bottom, which is pretty straightforward, and then tape. Make sure the bottom of the box is taped properly. It's very important. If not, all the stuff might fell off while carrying, or you don't want to damage any of the goods packed in the box. All right, and you go on the middle part a couple of times, and then you will go on the sides as well, trying to make it airtight. All right, there's gonna be situations when you might not have a lot of countertop space, or there's a lot of stuff on the counters. So I'll show you how to improvise and make your own little setup.